External division. Let us consider 2 points P x1, y1, z1 and Q x2, y2, z2 in the space. Let the point R x, y, z divides the line PQ externally into ratio m:2n. Then the coordinate of point R will be given as mx2 minus nx1 over m minus n, my2 minus ny1 over m minus n, mz2 minus nz1 over m minus n. So basically, we will use this formula to find the external division of 2 points P x1, y1, z1 and Q x2, y2, z2. Now let's consider an example to understand how we are going to use this formula. So the example is, find the coordinate of point R which divides the line segment P256 and Q477 externally into 2:3 ratio. So as you can see, it is given that point R divides the line segment externally into 2:3 ratio, which simply means that m:2n is equal to 2:3. You can also see that P is 256, which is basically P x1, y1, z1. So if we compare these two, we will get x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 5, and z1 is equal to 6. My point Q is 477, which is basically equal to Q x2, y2, z2. So my x2 is 4, which is over here. My y2 is 7, which is over here, and my z2 is 7 also, which is over here. Now let's use the external division formula to find the coordinate of point R. So the formula is right here. What we need to do now, we need to substitute the values of x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, and the value of m and n, which is basically 2 and 3, in this formula to find the coordinate of point R. And if we do that, we will write 2 times 4 minus 3 times 2 over 2 minus 3. This is my x. 2 times 7 minus 3 times 5 over 2 minus 3. This is my y. And 2 times 7 minus 3 times 6 over 2 minus 3. This is my z. If we simplify, we will get 8 minus 6 over negative 1, 14 minus 15 over negative 1, and then 14 minus 18 over negative 1. So 8 minus 6 is 2, so we'll write 2 over negative 1, and then 14 minus 15 is negative 1, so we'll write negative 1 over negative 1, which is over here, and then 14 minus 18 is negative 4 over negative 1, which is over here. So 2 over negative 1 is negative 2, negative 1 over negative 1 is 1, which is over here, and then negative 4 over negative 1 is 4, which is over here. And this is how we will use the external division of a line segment to find the coordinate of the point which divides the line in m:2n ratio.